In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect air conditioner with mobile Samsung. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Samsung air conditioner with any smartphone that you have. This will allow you to control the air conditioner. If you have multiple, you will be able to separate them through specific rooms around the house, and everything can be done and configured using only your smartphone. So you will need the SmartThings app. This is where you can set up Samsung devices, and it should be available for any smartphone, so look for SmartThings. Inside of SmartThings, you can set up individual rooms around your house, but of course this is optional. The most important thing is the plus button or the option to add a device. So choose either of these and you will be guided through the process of adding your air conditioner to SmartThings. So if you want to, you can scan the QR code. This is going to be an extremely convenient way to get it done, as long as you are provided with a QR code when you acquired your AC unit. Check to see if there is a sticker nearby or if there is any sort of QR code included in the box. If there isn't, or you don't want to bother with using this method, then just scroll all the way down and you will find air conditioner on the list of devices. So choose air conditioner under home appliances and choose Samsung as the brand. If you have an air conditioner from one of these brands, then choose them instead. Once you select air conditioner Samsung, you have to choose the particular type. So room air conditioner, system air conditioner, system air conditioner Wi-Fi kit, and then system air conditioner floor. Choose whichever one you want to use. Once you select it, you will be guided through the process, so tap start, and usually they are going to ask you to input a specific combination using your remote. So press and hold any respective buttons displayed on this screen, and you will be able to connect the air conditioner with the application. If you see any sort of pop-up, tap connect, and to finish this off, you will have to set the AC through a Wi-Fi network, ideally the one that is being used on your phone, so you set up the same Wi-Fi network between both devices. With this done, you can give it a name and it is going to be added onto SmartThings, where you can now manage or change the options about the air conditioner with ease. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect air conditioner with mobile Samsung. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.